In WrapStyler, you can rotate the camera around in the 3D view by moving your mouse while holding down the right button. When hovering an object, the rotation will be centered around the contact point between the mouse pointer and this object. Holding down the Shift key will slow down the movement. If you want to rotate the view horizontally or vertically, you can do so by holding down the Control key, which can be combined with the Shift key to rotate more slowly. Alternatively, you can also use the arrows on your keyboard to rotate vertically or horizontally. In that case, the center of rotation will be located at the center of the screen. That's why it's better to center the 3D view on the object around which you want to rotate. This will allow you to safely rotate around the object using the arrow keys. Again, the Shift key will help you slow down the movement. You can reverse the direction of the arrows by selecting the appropriate setting in the General Preferences. Thanks for watching and see you next time.